Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. New day, new recipe. So today's recipe is called biber chalchese, and initially it's not part of our culture, the Moroccan culture, but ever since we've discovered it, it's been major part of our diet. We add it to our dishes, and it makes for a great addition. Need for the biber chalchese, or the spicy red pepper paste, is four red peppers, roasted, peeled, seeded, 4 big red chilies, 2 cloves of big garlic cloves crushed, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and for the spices you need 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon pepper. Start with the chili. You just cut the head off and you slice it in the middle. And you cut it into 3, so you can easily seed it if you need to. Now you add the chili to the food processor, and if you like it spicy you can keep the seeds. If you don't like it spicy, then you can just remove the seeds, or you can have your own ratio. After this you just add the peppers. If you have a small food processor, just to prevent the overflow of everything, you can just blend it a little so that it's no longer visible. Add the garlic. Olive oil. Lemon juice, as well as your spices. And you blend everything. And now that you've blended it, it should have a silky, smooth texture. But we cannot store it yet, as it still is full of excess water, and storing it the excess water will spoil everything if it's stored like this, which is why we put it over a pan on high heat. And the reason for this is to evaporate the excess water as well as concentrate the flavor. Put it over high heat and continuously stir it until it starts to bubble up, until you start seeing bubbles. Once it starts bubbling, just stir it. Just do some intermittent stirring to avoid it sticking to the corners. Okay, after a while you can just put it on medium heat, just to avoid burning it whatsoever, and you just stir it intermittently until it stops bubbling in this way, and the flavor concentrates until it basically gets a little dry from the water. After we see that it's no longer bubbling like it was before, and you start smelling the strong smell, you can put it on low heat because it's ready now. So after you turn off the heat, you just let it cool down before storing it in a container or a mason jar. Okay, so after a few hours, our paste must have cooled down, and as you see, it's a very thick consistency. It's usually, you can use it in sauces a lot, especially if like a recipe calls for tomato paste. You can add this. It adds another like layer of flavor, which makes the dish taste a lot better. And then you just store it in a jar, and it has to be airtight. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe for more, like this video, and share it. Bye.